I have these old cassette tapes, remember those? Of my mom's Uncle Corky sharing family stories. I had them converted into digital files, but they're just sitting on a folder on my computer with backup files in the cloud. Few other family members even know they exist, but I want to share his stories, and I want to share them in his voice, that sweet Arkansas accent that I associate with my grandma and her siblings. Whether you're using the Ancestry mobile app or accessing Ancestry through a web browser, go into the new Storymaker Studio, click the Add button, and upload your audio. On mobile, you'll also have the option to record. Whether you have old audio files you want to preserve and share or new stories just waiting to be told, adding audio to your family tree through the Storymaker Studio will help those memories stay alive in a really special way. Once finished, give the audio file a descriptive headline, add the name of the speaker, tag other people mentioned in the story, fill in the date and time the recording took place, and click save. Oh, and if you aren't sure what stories should be told, we've got you covered with plenty of prompts. And that's Genealogy in a Minute.